Hey everybody, today we're going to dive into a full market update for Santa Clarita Valley as of October 22nd, 2024. I'm going to break down the numbers across key cities like Saugus, Valencia, Canyon Country, Stevenson Ranch, Newhall, and Castaic. We'll also discuss what these numbers mean for you, whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping a pulse on the market. More than just numbers, I'm here to help you understand how this data is going to equate to long-term success. So let's get started. As of today, the total active residential inventory across the Santa Clarita Valley sits at 553 listings, which includes single-family homes, condos, and townhomes. Here's how that inventory breaks down across the main cities. In Valencia, we have 173 active listings, Saugus 132, Canyon Country 97, Stevenson Ranch 48, Newhall 58, Castaic 45. These are all active listings, and each of these cities has its own dynamics. We will break them down to help you see where opportunities might be hiding. But remember, it's not just about jumping in, it's about having a strategy. Regarding market movement, I've been watching for the past years for real estate since 1998, studying the dynamics. And we're watching as we have this 7-day market snapshot. 65 new listings have hit the market. 88 homes have adjusted their price. This is a very important signal. 87 homes are currently under contract or pending, meaning they're already moved through the process of escrow. A key takeaway here, well, homes moving quickly, that doesn't mean you should feel rushed. Instead, this is a great moment to step back and ask what my long-term plan happens to be. Price adjustments and what they might mean. With 88 price changes, you might think sellers are starting to get desperate, but don't let this fool you into thinking it's a time to swoop in for a deal without a plan. In reality, price changes often reflect sellers adjusting to the market or realigning with buyers' expectations. This doesn't mean homes are suddenly on sale. Instead, it could mean the property was initially overpriced or the seller needs to move quickly. As your trusted advisor, I always suggest focusing on value rather than price. Let's sit down and talk about what makes sense for you financially. Sure, a price cut can be attractive, but how does that play into your long-term goals? Does this property fit your needs? Or are you chasing the deal instead of building the future you want? Now let's take a look at some of the city-specific trends. Valencia, California, 173 listings. That's amazing. Valencia is also one of the beautiful, most busy markets in Santa Clarita Valley, with homes ranging from newer builds to more established communities. Prices are holding steady. New inventory continues to refresh weekly. If you're looking into this area, it's important to have financing ready because homes tend to move fast. In Saugus, we'll talk about the 132 actives. Saugus has seen a good balance of new listings and sales recently with steady price adjustments. This community offers more space and it is attractive for families looking for solid schools and a suburban feel. Again, the key here is preparation. Be clear on your financials before making any offers so you're not overwhelmed by the fast pace of the market. Bringing us to Canyon Country, it does present a mix of opportunities with price reductions and a variety of property types. If you're a first-time home buyer, this might be a good place to explore, but don't rush. Let's discuss how this can fit into your overall financial picture before making decisions. 48 listings in Stevenson Ranch, known for its higher-end homes. Stevenson Ranch tends to have fewer listings, but higher price points. For those looking to invest in a long-term family home or higher-end property, this is an area where patience can pay off. Negotiation strategies can play a big role here, especially as homes stay on the market longer. The 58 listings in Newhall, and reflective of that, Newhall offers some of the oldest, most character-filled properties in the valley. It's a great place for buyers looking for charm and uniqueness. However, older homes come with a set of their own considerations: maintenance, repairs, and updates. Let's make sure your budget covers not just the price, but future home improvements as well. And finally, we'll round out with Castaic, 45 listings. Castaic remains a more affordable option for buyers, offering larger lots and more space for your money. It's an area to consider if you're looking for value and a bit of a slower pace. Still, it's essential to plan for the long haul. Let's explore whether Castaic meets your goals in the next 5, 10, or 15 years. Low inventory may have become a buzzword in real estate, but I want you to understand it's more than just a selling tactic. When you hear low inventory, don't think hurry up and buy. Instead, think prepare wisely. Now is the time to work with someone who can help you craft a strategy based on your personal financial health and long-term goals. If you're buying, have your financing prepped and ready. You know exactly what you'll know what exactly your monthly payments will look like, including taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Don't stretch yourself thin just to get into a home because the market's tight. If you're selling, pricing your home accurately is more important than ever. Overpricing can lead to extended days on market, which often results in price reductions. Let's talk about a strategy that attracts serious buyers from day one. I'm Connor with Honor. I'm your First Responder Realtor, and I'm here not just to talk you into a home, but to make sure the decision aligns with your future goals. Whether you're buying or selling or just keeping an eye on the market, having the right guidance is essential. Reach out if you'd like to dive deeper into the current market or discuss how to position yourself for long-term success. As always, I'm here for you. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.